A crackdown on factionalism azvipere mushe mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino opindira panhau dzematensions dziri kuitika bato rake neZANU-PF. Zvatiri kuona panguva ino oita achiredusa mapegs on some certain individuals who have been expelled from the ruling party. Sana mida mashuka budanyira panapa ubva subscribe like on the bell icon. Topila tuna mnugwa mchenzi. Mnangagwa also reversed the expulsions of 2 members from Masvingo province, underscoring his disapproval of internal gains. At a press conference following the Politburo meeting, ZANU-PF national spokesperson Christopher Muchangwa confirmed the president's strong stance on unity and due process. President Mnangagwa was very stern on the issue of expulsions. He believes this could destroy the party, Muchangwa said. He does not tolerate clandestine suspensions and expulsions. ZANU-PF is a revolutionary party rooted in the people, guided by the principle of leaving no one and no place behind. Muchangwa added that the party will now favor reprimands over expulsions in a bid to foster internal healing and avoid further divisions. Rather than removing members, the party opted for reprimands where necessary. This reflects the president's leadership style, focusing on strengthening the party from within, Muchangwa said. With the next year's provincial elections drawing closer, Mnangagwa's move appears to be a calculated effort to consolidate unity within ZANU-PF and rein in rogue elements within the provincial structures. However, observers note that the readmission of G40-linked figures could spark renewed tension within the deeply factionalized party. Ndomasvikaro kuno panguva inonzi aiona mutungamiri wenyika chiri-admita vanhu pamwe chete nekuredusa mapegs pane vanhu vanoonekwa kunzi aiwa maallies avp kosa rinochengwa noona kuti the direct threat kune mutungamiri wenyika. Zvinonzika mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino anoda kuzama kuconsolidata unity in his own party as the party aiwa yatarisana provincial elections next year. Bina comment section maidunza mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musaona subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.